Today I'm going to show you how to figure out your part number for your Daito LM fuse. So this is a little tricky, but it's easy at the same time. So I have an example of a fuse in my hand right now, and on it says LM47. And just to let you know, this is not the part number. You're going to take the style of the fuse, which is LM, and keep that in mind for the type of fuse that you need. And then you're going to look for the amp rating on the fuse. And when I look at this fuse, it says 1A, which is the amp rating. So now you have everything that you need. And what you want to do is go to our website and look for the spec sheet for the Daito LM fuses. And once you look at that spec sheet, which is right here, you will look up the amp rating and the style of the fuse, which is LM, and then you'll get the part number of LM10. That is the part number for this particular fuse. We have plenty of stock in Illinois, and 9 out of 10 times we can ship the same day. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us, email us, or live chat us. Thank you.